Welcome to JH. I started taking heart and soil Lifeblood after hearing about its benefits for cardiovascular health and endurance, and surprisingly, it actually did something. Within a few weeks, my energy levels and stamina during workouts improved, and I even experienced better sleep and mental clarity, things I definitely wasn't expecting from a bottle of capsules. Because apparently, nothing screams peak performance quite like swallowing the internal organs of a cow before your morning coffee. Online reviews seem to back me up, with users reporting enhanced oxygen delivery and even recovery from anemia. It turns out that grass-fed heart, liver, and spleen are nutrient-dense powerhouses, and thankfully, these capsules don't actually taste like a butcher shop's discard pile. The company is transparent about their sourcing and quality, which is great, but it's not all sunshine and organ meats for everyone. I found feedback from people who saw absolutely no change after weeks of use, while others reported digestive discomfort or even a skin rash. Because let's be honest, nothing ruins the vibe of your new vitality journey quite like a sudden case of the bloats or looking like you've developed an allergy to existence. These stories highlight why you should probably listen to your body and start with a low dose to assess your tolerance. It's always wise to consult a healthcare provider before jumping into a new regimen, especially since individual responses vary wildly. Approach it with realistic expectations, and maybe don't expect to turn into a superhero overnight just because you started eating spleen.